feet. Moderate flooding begins. The Smithfield Town Park and the News River are flooded. Additional details. At 8:15 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 14.4 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 16.6 feet tomorrow. 12. It will then fall below flood stage Tuesday evening. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. No available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/